Now let's head west. The Shoals area seeing some major flooding along Old Highway 20 in Tuscumbia, just off of Highway 72.
So the water has left several neighborhoods cut off from the main road. News 19's Addison Wellman joins us now live from Tuscumbia to give us the latest. Addison.
We are still here on Highway 20 where flooding has continued to be a major issue. As you can see behind me, a field has been basically completely submerged in water. I spoke with a woman earlier who says they've had flooding issues in the past, but they seem to be getting worse.
That water in the pond now is coming up to my bell blocks and coming up into my garage. And before it's gotten into the hangar.
Several neighborhoods off Highway 20 in Tuscumbia are separated from the highway by floodwaters that are covering the roads by several inches and even feet in some parts. And that flooding has left them unable to leave their home. Some residents tell us they're worried what will happen as we're set to get more rain soon. Just 10 minutes down the road from some of the worst flooding, a nearby home caught fire after lightning struck their garage late last night. The owners say they were sitting at home watching the weather when lightning struck right outside of their house. However, they couldn't see that it had sparked a fire right outside of their home, destroying multiple vehicles, tools, and a significant portion of the house.
Looked outside, didn't see anything wrong, and 20 minutes later we got a phone call, said there was a fire on the place. It got into the end of the house, into the bedroom and closet areas, and it's not livable, but thank God it's fixable, and thank God that we're fine.
We'll have more on the fire that destroyed that garage coming up at 6. For now, live in Colbert County, Addison Willman, News 19.